Hello, future nurses. Welcome to our channel dedicated to helping you succeed in your nursing career. Today, we're diving into an important topic for those of you preparing for your NCLEX. We're talking about the differences between a CAT exam and a readiness assessment. So let's get started. First, let's break down what the terms mean. CAT stands for Computerized Adaptive Testing. This is a format used in the actual NCLEX exam. Now, on the other hand, a readiness assessment is essentially a practice test designed to gauge your preparedness for the NCLEX. Now, let's dive into the key differences between each of these exams. First is the purpose of the exam. The CAT exam, or NCLEX, is the real deal. It's the test that you need to pass to get your nursing license. Now, a readiness assessment is simply a tool to help you prepare for the NCLEX. It's kind of like a dress rehearsal before the big show. Second is the adaptive nature. In a CAT exam, the questions adapt to your performance. If you answer a question correctly, the next one will be more difficult. But if you get one wrong, the next one will be easier. This helps determine your true ability level. Readiness assessments, however, typically have a predetermined set of questions. They don't adapt based on your answers. Next, let's talk about length. The NCLEX CAT exam can be as short as 85 questions or as long as 150 questions. It all depends on your performance. For readiness assessments, these often have a fixed number of questions, which can vary depending on the provider. Now, what about time limits? Well, the NCLEX gives you up to 5 hours to complete the exam. On the other hand, readiness assessments may or may not have time limits, depending on how they're designed to simulate the actual exam. Next, let's talk about scoring. CAT exams use a complex algorithm to determine your score based on the difficulty of questions you've answered correctly. Readiness assessments often use a simpler scoring system, giving you a percentage or a likely to pass indication. So here's an example of SimpleNursing's pass prediction scale. Next, let's talk about feedback. With the NCLEX, you'll only receive a pass or fail result. Readiness assessments, on the other hand, usually provide very detailed feedback on your performance, showing you which areas you need to improve. You can see results like low, borderline, high, or even very high. Now lastly, let's talk about stakes. The NCLEX CAT exam is high stakes. Your nursing career depends on it. On the other hand, readiness assessments are low stakes. They're simply there to help you and not make or break your career. Both the CAT exams and the readiness assessments play crucial roles in your NCLEX preparation. The CAT format of the NCLEX ensures a fair and accurate assessment of your nursing knowledge. It's designed to find the level where you're consistently answering questions correctly, which is why the number of questions can vary. Readiness assessments are the invaluable tools in your preparation. They help you familiarize yourself with the types of questions you'll face, identify your strengths and weaknesses, practice managing your time, and even reducing test anxiety by simulating the exam experience. Remember, while readiness assessments are incredibly helpful, they can't perfectly predict your NCLEX performance. But the adaptive nature of the CAT exam makes each test unique. So we recommend using readiness assessments as a part of your study strategy, but don't rely on them exclusively. Combine them with a comprehensive review of nursing concepts, practice questions, and other study methods. So for more help with how to study for the NCLEX, be sure to check out the first video in my NCLEX Review Lecture series. The title is NCLEX Strategy and Insights, or you can join one of our live NCLEX cram sessions. But most importantly, don't be scared, be prepared. You've got this, future nurses. Understand these differences. Use both types of tests in your preparation, and you'll be well on your way to NCLEX success. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more nursing tips. You can access free Simple Nursing resources by clicking the link here. Oh, and by the way, did you know that we offer a pass guarantee for the actual NCLEX? Woo! So good luck with your studies, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Did you know you can unlock beautifully handcrafted study guides, packed with key points and memory tricks from all our videos? Plus, you'll get access to over 1,200 exclusive videos not on YouTube, all neatly organized by nursing school topic, to make that complex nursing knowledge actually stick. You'll also gain thousands of practice questions written by current professors and actual NCLEX writers. So for access to all this and more, click right up here or visit SimpleNursing.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy studying, and we'll see you in the next videos.